I created this using a free AI tool called Adobe Firefly in just 2 minutes. Open Adobe Firefly in your browser and go to the Explore Firefly page. This is the dashboard of Adobe Firefly, the AI tool. Here, you have a text-to-image generator where you can generate amazing images for free. In the Generative Fill tool, you can remove unwanted parts of an image, change the background, and insert new elements. Next is the text effect, where we can create amazing text. These are different text styles or text prompts that you can use for free. To generate an amazing text style for your text, just open any one of these. For example, I like this red fur text effect. Here, you need to write what you want your text to be, like our text is LFYI. On the right side, next to your text, is the text effect or style, which is red fur. Above that, you have 4 options for text styles. You can check all 4 and select the one you like the most. I think the third one is amazing. On the right side, you have multiple options to customize your text. You have different prompts, text effects, font styles, and the color of the background and text. You can also change the background color of your text. Moreover, if you don't like the results, you can refresh your response from here. Above that, you have multiple options for text styles. You have natural styles of text, material and texture, and food and drink styles of text effects. This is how the flower effect looks like, the snake effect, and the driftwood effect. If you like any of the text effects, you can download them for free to your device. This is the wires text effect and the bread toast effect. Next, you have different text effect fits, and you can select any one. You also have different font styles, and you can customize your font style from here. You can select the one you like. Moreover, you can also change your text effect prompt from here. For example, if we remove red from the prompt, it changes our text style. If we try white fur, what do you think? White or red fur, which one would you like to select? Moreover, if you want to know how to generate images from text, remove background, or remove unwanted parts of an image, click on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.